I have this on my birthday every single year.
Ito na naman tayo with my favorite lasagna of all time, these leche flan cheesecakes at itong Spanish cheesecake all the way from Cavite. And yes, talagang kahit taga Pampanga ako, dito pa talaga ako mo-order, lalo na pag birthday ko. Look at these leche flan cheesecakes. They call these leche cheesecakes. They're shiny, smooth, and creamy.
My favorite cheesecake.
Grabe, lahat ng friends and family ko na pinatikman ko nito, napawaw lahat. Sigurado ako dito, never ako mapapahiya sa inyo pag in-order nyo to. Yung joke ko nga palagi sa mga kasama ko, pag natikman nyo to, baka maiyak kayo sa sarap. Etong Spanish cheesecake naman, hindi na to parte ng order ko Niregalo na lang daw nila sa akin since palagi talaga ako nag-order sa kanila. Kaya maraming salamat po sa birthday gift nyo sa akin na Spanish cheesecake. This was so good. Burnt cheesecake yung style niya and I think parang lemon zest yun nasa taas. The cheesecake is smooth, tapos meron siyang manipis na crust so you still have that added texture. And I mean, look at that close-up shot. Itsura pa lang, alam nyo na. And for our main event, eto na yung aking favorite lasagna of all time. Ilang beses ko na tong pinost at hindi tayo magsasawang i-share to. It's Filipino style, creamy, meaty with a touch of sweetness. Ito yung pinaka-standard ko pagdating sa lasagna. Every time na may pinapatikim sa akin bago, lagi kong iniisip, how does it compare doon sa favorite ko from Cavite?